everyone. I am Praveen Kumar. I am here to explain our project titled Fish Monitoring System. So, before I explain to you about our project, let me tell you about the basics. Many people keep fish as pet, but when we think about a disease for the pets, for dogs and cats, we have veterinary doctors. So it's simple. You take them to a doctor, they give you a prescription, and that's it. You can cure them. So, but for fish, there is no specific doctor, and people tend to, react it very emotionally, thinking that they are not taking care of it properly. But in reality, there is no doctor. It's simple to say for like ornamental fish, but for in aquaculture and also costly and expensive ornamental fish, disease outbreak is a common issue, which leads to heavy money loss and as well as biomass loss. So for this, we have created a app so which predicts disease, which says to the owners that this is the disease, you should do like this. So we think this will help many owners as well as aquaculture owners to prevent biomass loss. So let's straightly dive into it and let me explain it to you how this project works. So this is our main interface UI. So here we have two parts. So which is an image analysis part and also a video analysis part. So what if I told you that if you have a doubt that if your pet fish has a disease, you can just capture an image and give it to our model, which in turn gives us back what disease it is and what to do. So let's see how it works. This is our backend, so which is completely written using Python. So as you can see, it is still running active, the backend. So the hosting is done as local host. This is our backend process. So let's see how it works. It's extremely simple. You capture an image of your fish for the first part. For the upload a fish image. So first choose your fish image. So I have some pre-loaded fish images. So let's see. So I'm taking this one, open it, and let's see. So it grasped it. So now I'm giving predict disease. Look, simple as that. It says what type of disease it is, what medication to be done, and what is the immediate process you can do. So you can copy the results as well as you can download the report. So now you may have a question. How does this work? Basically, this model is a convolutional neural network. So when a user uploads an image like this, so our model first normalizes it. After normalization, it checks for patterns, whether this fish has disease or not. So based on that, and the training given, it will correctly determine the disease as well as the medication. So this is our first part. So it's pretty simple. You just snap a picture of your fish and you can check whether what kind of disease it has. So you can also reset it to normal. You may have another question. Praveen, this first part is like when I know my fish has a disease, but what can I do when I do not see any physical symptoms, but it has some abnormal movements, so I can prevent the disease early? Absolutely. That's where the video analysis part comes in. So here too, it is simple. You just, capture a video of your fish swimming. I already have an image of fish swimming. So let's open this file and run it. As you can see, I have a clear video of a fish swimming in a tank. This is extremely optional. So if you think that your fish has some abnormal movements and you thing to prevent disease early. This is an important part. As you can see, the fish is acting somewhat strange, but not too strange. So let's analyze the video. It's analyzing. So see here, it's simple. So it said, no need to worry, it's healthy 100%. Those movements are simply due to stress. So as you can see, this video analysis part splits the video into each and every frame. And each frame is again analyzed by the same CNN module. As you can see, the frames are there analyzed by it. So by this way, you can predict the disease early without any physical symptoms so that you may not even go to the first part and you can isolate the fish even before it gets the physical symptoms. I think this app or website is great for all ornamental fish owners as well as aquaculture owners. So as they can safeguard and have a pride that they have raised a good pet without the use of a doctor, without the problem of the fish is being diseased. Hope this is helpful. Thank you.